Hi, and I'm Theresa. Welcome back to Cheeky Monkeys. Hi, today we'll be making a teacup out of recycled items. We'd like to thank Hugh and his family for his wonderful feedback. Okay, today what you will need to create your teacup is a recycled bottle, a CD, a glue gun. If you're using the glue gun, be careful as it's hot. If you don't have a glue gun, you could use glue or sticky tape. You can use paint in various colours to decorate your teacup. You can use stickers, pom-poms. You'll need your scissors to cut around your bottle to cut your teacup. Then you'll stick your teacup handle to the teacup and then attach to the bottom of the CD. So here's the teacup we pre-made earlier. Kim will now decorate her teacup. Here you have Kim's finished teacup. This activity enhances children's communicative skills, creativity and colour recognition. Don't forget to like and subscribe.